This one.
Old,
Huh?
old, old,
Co
is
cold.
the cold ice cream is
Oh,
melting.
huh? The cold ice cream is melting. Very good. Okay,
Because
how
I
about
see his melting face.
perfect. How about this?
A girl.
Can you read this word first?
A girl is laughing.
Okay, how about this word? Can you read this word first?
Yung sa coffee lang hindi i-read.
You-read ba natin? Sabi mo gani, hot coffee? How about this girl here? Sige daw. Can you read this word?
A happy girl.
Wow, very good. A happy girl. How about this one?
A crying boy.
Oh, yes, a crying boy. How does it feel? Look at this word here.
Sad.
Can you read it? Yes. Can you say a sad boy?
A sad boy is crying.
Very good. Now, look at this, Zoe. Let's learn the opposite. Let's learn the word opposite. When you say opposite, kabaliktaran. Kagaya ng kabaliktaran ng tumatawa. Ang kabaliktaran ng tumatawa ay crying. Laughing, crying. Pag happy, ano yung kabaliktaran ng happy?
Smile.
Kabaliktaran, kabaliktaran, opposite. Pag sinabing opposite, kabaliktaran. What is the opposite of happy? Kung ikaw ay hindi happy, ikaw ay
Sad.
sad. Very good. Kung something is not hot, if something is not hot, then it's cold. So what is opposite to hot? What is opposite to hot? Cold.
Cold.
Yeah, what is opposite to hot?
Cold.
What is opposite to cold?
Um,
Ano yung kabaliktaran ng cold? Hot.
hot.
Yes. Okay, when it's, kagaya ng okay, example, malamig. Ano yung kabaliktaran ng malamig? Mainit. Di ba? Ano sa English ang malamig? Cold. Ano sa English yung
Cold.
malamig? Cold. Very good. Ano yung English ng
Cold.
mainit?
I'm cold.
Mainit.
Hot.
Hot. Very good. So, what is the opposite of hot?
Melt.
What is the opposite of hot?
Cold.
Okay, very good. So, what is the opposite of cold?
Hot.
Yes. Now, how about happy? What is the opposite of happy?
Sad.
What is the opposite of sad?
Crying.
Oh,
Happy.
what is the opposite? Kabaliktaran ng sad. Happy. Very good. Now, our activity, Zoe, is you're going to write the opposite of the word hot. Sabi mo kanina, the opposite of the word hot is cold. So, I want you to write the word cold here. Copy mo ito dito, okay? Okay, so we are going to write the word cold here, like this one. Tapos,
Hot. Cold.
dito,
Cold. Hot.
oh, very good. Sige. Okay,
Cold.
are you ready?
Hot. Cold.
Are you ready to write?
Yep.
Yep, I will give you a pen. Go, go,
Hot.
go.
Cold.
Or what is the opposite of hot? Okay, you use your pen now. You use your pen now. Oh, very good. Oops. Oh, stop drawing on the gray part. Hot. What are you going to write after hot? What is the opposite of hot?
Cold.
Very good. Can you write the word cold?
Like in the ice cream.
Mmm, that's right. Wow.
I make it a little bit smaller
Wow.
so I can have a space.
Sure. Ay, bakit parang A? Wow. Perfect. Very good. How about the cold? What is the opposite of the word cold? Very good. Hot. That's right.
Like in the coffee.
Mm.
It's
Go, go.
just a word.
Mm. Wow. Oop, oop, oopsie doopsie. Very good.
Can I write a big T? I don't know a small T.
Mm. Just try. Okay, all right, very good. How about happy? What is the opposite of the word happy?
Like the girl. Sad.
Yes, very good. It's a sad. Okay, can you write the word sad? Oops, sige, okay lang. Wow. That is letter S. Very good. Hmm, it's okay now. Okay.
It looks like it can be a Christmas.
Sige, go. Try. You can do that. Whoops. Wow. Very good.
Yep.
Oh, wow. Nag-Josh's smiling face sa gilid, oh. Sige na. Go, go, go. Ay, oh. Saan man yung kulang man yung sad? Okay, very good. Wow. Yeah. Give me five. Come on. Hmm.
In the down. I'm
Yeah.
gonna make a sad face in the green.
What is the
A sad,
opposite of the word sad?
sad. Okay.
What is the opposite?
Me.
Happy.
Happy.
Very
I
good.
already drew it. I'm gonna draw it now. Dami naman T yung happy. Oy, PP.
2 piece lang naman yun. Mm,
Parang flagging.
galing-galing. Wow, very good. Wow, look at this. Here's a magical star for Zoe. Yay!
Teacher Kalay, I make a sad face now in the gray one.
Yes, that's right. Okay, this time, Zoe, I want you to read the words here, okay? Can you read the words? Go.
Hot cookie.
Oops. Ano man yun? Abort, abort. Okay, very good. Okay, what is this? Hot.
Hot.
What is the opposite?
Cold.
Very good. What is this word?
Cold.
Very good. What is the opposite?
Hot.
Very good. What is this word?
Opposite.
Now, what is this word? Very good. What is the opposite?
Sad.
Very good. What is this word?
Sad.
Very good. What is the opposite? Wow, perfect. I'm going to give you a purple star. Great
Teacher
job,
Kalay.
Zoe. Give me 5. Come on, give me
Teacher
5
Kalay.
words.
Teacher Kalay, what about the opposite of the moon and the sun?
Okay, wait. Okay, so yeah, very good on this part of our activity. Let's go to the next part, okay? It's, look at the word. It starts with letter D. With long A. D. Oops. It's A. The combination sound of AY is A. D. D. Lalalala. Ano nangyari sa kanya? Lingi-lingi man. D. A. Louder. Day. Very good. Day. Day, day, day.
And the night,
Very good. That's night. How about here?
bear,
Yeah. What kind of bear? Can you describe the bear?
standing bear,
Oh, yeah, it's a standing bear. And look at the word. Can you try to read this one? Aling maliit? It starts with letter T.
tail, tail,
Is it tail? It's the sound of the letter A is short. Ah. Mm, uh, how do you sound the letter A here? It's ah. Ta, oo.
no,
Huh?
no,
Louder.
no,
Tall. Okay, very good. Say it again.
no.
Tall bear. Very good. What is
Standing
this?
tall bear.
What's
Squirrel.
squirrel? Can you describe the squirrel? Yeah, do you remember the digraph SH? What is the sound of the SH?
Short.
Wow, very good. Say it again,
Short.
louder. Short.
Short.
Very good. Tall, tall, short.
Tall. Short.
Tall,
Short.
short. So pag tall, ang
Tall.
kabalik, the opposite of tall is short. Okay?
Okay.
What is the opposite of day?
Moon. That's a
What is the opposite? Yung kabaliktaran ng day. What is the opposite of day?
night.
Night. Very good. So the opposite of day is night. Now I'm going to write the word night here.
Night.
Okay? Ganyan. Are you ready to write their opposite? Oh, what is the opposite of night? What is the opposite of night?
Day.
Very good. What is the opposite of tall?
Short.
Very good. What is the opposite of short?
Long.
Ah! What is the opposite of short?
Tall.
Tall. Very good. Are you ready to write now? ready to write?
Yes, fine.
Okay. I will give you a pen. You're going to write now. Go, go, go.
And I have a new color.
Hmm.
Can I have a new color, Teacher Kalai?
You just try to write. You will have a purple color. Sige daw. Sulat mo. What is the opposite of day? What is the opposite of day?
Yay! Purple! Yay! Like this.
Oh, again. Okay, good. That's good. That's good.
Yeah, so that.
Mm.
Mag-click ka ka that.
Sige na. What is the opposite of day? Sige, continue please. Ah, very good.
It looks like letter E.
Nabaliktad.
Yep.
Sige, what comes after G? Ano yung sunod ng G?
Wait, yung headset ko.
Ah, gulo nga ng hair mo, oh. Sige, go, go, go.
H.
Very good. Wow. What about the night? What is the opposite of the word night? Di. What is the opposite of the word night? That is? Wow, very good. Okay, thank you so much, Zoe. We don't have time anymore, okay? So I will send this to you and you're going to have this continued after, you have to continue this after our class, okay? Homework ito ha? Okay?
Okay.